Copy from Google and paste on YouTube. This is how we earned 2.2 million rupees on this channel that you're seeing. And on this channel, let me show you, we made 600,000 rupees. And on this channel, we earned 3.2 million rupees. So how did this happen? We'll discuss that in this video. So mainly, what are we going to talk about in this video? You have to copy things from Google and upload them to YouTube and how you can make money from it. I've shown you the proof. You can see it here as well. And you must have seen on the thumbnail too that 3.2 million bags of earnings have been made, and you don't even have to show your face. There's no need to show your face at all. So in this video, we'll discuss all these things. You need to watch the video till the end because there are a lot of steps. Take it easy. Put on your earphones and keep watching till the very end so you don't miss even a single point. Because if you miss even one point, then none of this will be possible for you. You have to put in the effort and watch this video till the end. And after that, you just need to get to work. So let's start this video and I'll show you everything. Step by step, how you can earn money by copying from Google and pasting it on YouTube. So let's go to my screen and I'll show you on Google exactly what we need to copy and where to paste it to create a video through which you can earn lakhs of rupees. In this video, I am going to give you a really great channel idea. So you need to watch this video till the end. You must be seeing a channel here with the name Quotation and Motivation, and it has 1 lakh subscribers. If I show you the analytics of this channel, if we open Social Blade, this channel has uploaded only 14 videos. Just 14 videos and 1 lakh subscribers. It has 2.9 million views on this channel, and if I talk about its earnings, the earnings are going up to around $5,000. If we multiply that by 7, that's about 35,000, which is 3 lakh rupees. And if we look at its yearly earnings, that's even higher. Okay, and if you look at the views on this channel, it's getting daily views, like 42,000 views, 22,000 views, 65,000 views. But what we've done on this channel is that we haven't uploaded too many videos, just 14 videos have been uploaded. This channel, in a way, has become a money-making machine. And how should you make videos on this channel? How should you create such videos? We will talk about that in this video. So first, let's take a look at what kind of content this channel has uploaded. Okay, so if I talk about the most popular video on this channel, you can see here a quote has been posted, right? That an intelligent person should avoid these 3 things, and what title did they use for it? Quotes of Albert Einstein. Now look at these videos. You won't get that many views from YouTube search. Your views will come from the browse feature, meaning when your videos appear on people's homepages. And whenever your video shows up on someone's homepage, you need to think of such quotes, such titles, and such thumbnails that people feel compelled to click. You can see here that it is written here, the more silent you are, the more you are. Now what happens next? Many people think, man, I just stay quiet. This is for those people, and you know, silent videos are the ones that get the most views because there are so many people who just stay quiet, lost in their own world. They like to watch these kinds of things thinking, I don't talk much, because they don't interact with many people. If you make videos for them, they can watch those videos alone. Or even if someone is sitting nearby, they can still watch because they stay silent and don't talk much. So silent videos, you can target them as well. Here, you can see that there's another mention about a silent friend. Never trust a silent friend. Now, a silent person will think, I'm silent, but why shouldn't someone be friends with me? Here, they've put a dot, 3 dots, and now that person will wonder, what does this mean? If you look here, person, intelligent person, everyone thinks of themselves as intelligent, like, I'm very smart, I'm very intelligent, I'm basically silent, but I'm intelligent. That's what they think. There are 3 things they should avoid. Now, what will an intelligent person think? Even if someone isn't intelligent, what will they think? They'll wonder, what are these 3 things that I shouldn't do in my life or that will prevent me from achieving success? So, do you understand the psychology here? Do you get how we need to make thumbnails? The thumbnail should be such that it leaves the statement incomplete. You shouldn't reveal everything there. For example, if I go to this channel and show you the videos below on this channel, okay? Look at this. Now look here, see what mistake he made here. He wrote too much text here. When you write too many things, the person can't read everything. There should always be less text on the thumbnail. If you put too much text, the viewer won't understand it. Just think about it yourself. When a thumbnail is shown to you, how much time do you spend on it? We pause for just 1 or 2 seconds. Even if you stay longer, the video starts playing. So basically, you have just 1 or 2 seconds to get the viewer to click. So you can achieve that with less text. If you write too much text, people won't read it all, and they won't understand the whole point. Everything will get ruined and you won't get any clicks if you use too much text. If you use less text, it will be better. Now, here it says 30 life lessons and got 7,000 views. But if you see 30 life lessons, that's a lot. Who's going to look at 30 lessons in one video? No matter how short the video is, I won't take 30 lessons at once. But if you look at the videos with more views, for example, this one says psychological facts. He wrote 14 most important psychological facts. Even if someone isn't interested, just seeing psychological facts will make them want to watch. Don't say anything. Now look at what's written here. Don't say anything. We can see it here, right? Look here. It says, don't say anything at all. After that, a person will think, man, what is it that I shouldn't say? What things shouldn't I talk about? If a man doesn't love, he talks about, see, all of this is in English. In Hindi, you have a very simple way because motivational videos get views so quickly that people keep watching them. Keep watching videos related to motivation, keep looking at quotes. Now, these are quotes. If I play this video, okay, I've played this video for you. You can see Albert Einstein and you can see all the text. You don't have to do anything else. You just have to give the same voiceover. If you want, you can give the same voiceover, or else you can add background music. You need to do the voiceover and write the quote. Now, where will you get these quotes from? The biggest question you'll have is, sir, where do we find quotes? Now look, it's simple. Right now, there's one from Abdul Kalam coming up. His birth anniversary is coming up, probably around the 15th. On that date, things related to Abdul Kalam will trend. That gives you a great opportunity to grow a motivational channel, and that too with Abdul Kalam. Now look, I searched for success quotes written by Abdul Kalam because everyone wants to know about success, right? You can see a lot of things here. You can open any website. For example, I just opened the very first website that appeared at the top. Now, if you take a look over here, I can see a whole lot of inspiring quotes listed. For example, right here it says, a dream is not simply what you see while you are sleeping. It is actually something that does not let you sleep. Now, what exactly is this message about? It is clearly about the nature of sleep and the power of dreams, right? If it's about sleep, about dreams, then what can you write there if you're unable to sleep? So can you then write further about why you can't sleep? Because you have a dream. In that video, there's a person who can't sleep. There's a photo of Abdul Kalam here, and it's written, if you can't sleep, then you put door for him. So what will that person do now? Abdul Kalam ji was a truly great person. He has also served as the president of our country, so everyone wants to hear what he has to say. Like, what did he say? And you can even write Abdul Kalam quote in the title. Now look, if someone has already seen the thumbnail, they might not read the title. And even if they don't, if it's written there, Abdul Kalam quote. So if I write Abdul Kalam quote here as well, if we type it on YouTube, then suggestions will pop up like Abdul Kalam motivational quote, Abdul Kalam. You can target all those keywords in your tags and in your description, okay? And something that does not let you sleep, right? After that, let's look at the next quote. I've explained one quote to you. You can make an entire video on this. And motivational videos should never be too long. We should make them about 1.5 to 2 minutes, especially if you're just starting your channel. Because if a new viewer comes, when do they stay on your channel? When they trust you. So, by making videos of 2 to 3 minutes, you build that trust, showing that your channel has good content which you... If you write something on the thumbnail, always provide more than that. Always deliver more than what you promise on your thumbnail. If you promised on the thumbnail that you can't sleep because you have a dream, then after writing that, in the video, talk about it. If it's about dreams, then explain everything about dreams in the video and give some extra value too. Take 2 to 3 minutes for this. Now let's look at the next thought of that person. See, if in the video about dreams, I shared a quote about dreams, then you can convert that quote into Hindi and write it directly on the screen. You don't even need to show your face. You don't have to show your appearance. What you need to do is add motivational quotes. Many people ask whether this will be monetized or not. It's your original content. Even if you take it from somewhere, you can still add your own voiceover. If you are capable, if you can speak, then add your own voiceover. Buy a good microphone. You can get one for 300 to 400 rupees. I'll also put the link for the microphone in the description. If you want to buy it, you can purchase the mic from there as well. Alright, so now look, we got a thought about dreams. And after that, as we scroll down, we find something about success. If you look here, see what's written here. Something very meaningful is written here. It says suffering. You need to grasp that word. What does suffering mean? When someone is troubled, what is that? That is suffering. So what can we write? If you have already been troubled in life, then what is coming next? Something big is coming. Suffering is the essence of success. It means if you are struggling, if you are unhappy with your work, what benefit does that have? That is the path to success. You will find success through it. You need to create this in your video. Now comes the KindMaster tool, Very. It's a great editing tool. What you need to do there is copy this from here and paste it into that software. You need to fix one photo, pick a photo of Abdul Kalam, place it on a black background and add some background music behind it. Just add background music, or you can directly put quotes. If you directly put quotes, there's a slight chance that your channel might not get monetized. But if you use your own voiceover, then it's guaranteed that your channel will definitely get monetized. And you can grow so quickly you can't even imagine it, and you can earn a lot of money, a huge amount. Look, if you do it in English, there's one advantage. In English, you need to do the voiceover. Now, you can simply say what's written. If you have a friend, if you're not very good at English, you can ask a friend, hey, I have a 1-minute video. Can you do the voiceover for it? Just get anyone to do it, ask them to read these lines once, and you can edit it later. Keep this entire text and play the video. Now the video is completely made. You've uploaded the video. For the thumbnail, use the same strategy I mentioned before. If you don't use that strategy, it won't work. The proofs I showed you earlier are from those same motivational channels that they are earning a lot. I showed you the actual money. I showed you how much they are earning, their subscribers and their views as well. There are channels getting 111 million, 111,000 million views. The very first proof I showed you, if you go back and watch the video, you'll see that channel got 100 million views. And those views are in just 1 month. Just imagine 100 million views in a single month. You'll have to work hard, my friend. The hard work is up to you. And if you do put in the effort, things will definitely happen. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but if you do this for a month, upload 1 video every day, and let me tell you the most important thing. Let me tell you something very important. What exactly do you need to do? My formula has always been 20 videos. First, make 20 videos. After that, create your channel. Put in 3 or 4 days of hard work. If you're sitting idle and want to earn money by copy-pasting from Google, you'll have to put in this much effort. Eat your food and get to work. If you want to go out, play cricket, hang out with friends, or just watch videos on YouTube, how many videos will you watch really? Instead, make your own videos. If you want to earn money, you'll have to make videos. Make 20 videos and then start uploading them one by one. As soon as your studio is ready, upload 1 video on the first day, another on the second day, and so on. When you upload all 20 videos, you'll get further motivation, because out of those 20 videos, at least 1 will take off. And there's a rule. Whenever a channel regularly uploads 39 videos to their channel at the same time and on the same pay, then not just 1, but 4 or 5 videos on that channel go viral. And you know, never think, where will I get motivation in this video? I'm telling you to make 20 videos because usually after making 5 videos, you feel like you're done. So you need to have 20 videos prepared in advance and only then start uploading. When you upload those 20 videos, for sure, at least one of them will take off and give you motivation. To keep working hard, thinking I need to put in the effort. You should spend the most time on the thumbnail. Really dedicate the most time to creating the thumbnail. Before anything else, sit down and make the thumbnail for your video first. And only then make the video itself. Because if the thumbnail is good, people will click on your video. Everything will fall into place. And never judge CTR, click-through rate, by anything else. Always check the CTR in the browse section. You need to go into analytics and check what your CTR is in the browse feature. Sometimes what happens is your CTR is at 3% and you think, man, my CTR is really bad. But when you go into the traffic sources for the video, that's when you find out the reality. What is your CTR in the browse feature? You should aim for a CTR above 10% in the browse feature. If you achieve that, your work is done. All right? And you know, this also happens a lot. If your video is motivational and you watch other motivational videos, then your video will also start appearing in the suggestions for people who watch motivational content. So you need to do this. You need to follow this entire procedure. I really want you to grow your channel. In the comment box of this video, you need to write something. The day you upload your first video, just write there. Day 1, video uploaded. On day 2, write, total channel views are 10 now. On day 3, you have to come back and edit that comment every day. Right under this video. Every day, comment under this video. You have to do this. On day 1, write 0 views on the video. On day 2, write all my videos combined have reached 20 views. Day 3, day 4, keep updating like this in the comment box of this video for 20 days. I will also support you. I will check which channel you are running. We will feature your channel in the end screen if you are doing good work and putting in real effort. So I think you must have really liked this video. You must have enjoyed it a lot. There are more videos on my channel. You can watch those too. Here, we will also add an end screen and I will put an iCard as well. In the iCard, I will add a playlist so you can watch related videos.